Welcome to the game of wealth. It's a mindset where strategy, hard work, and smart decisions lead you to success. Get ready, because only those who think big will win. You can transform your skills and interests into a profitable business. But passion alone isn't enough. You need a plan. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the exact blueprint to turn your passion into a thriving six-figure business. If you're ready to take control of your future and turn what you love into a high-income business, let's dive in. Part 1. Find your profitable passion. Before turning a passion into a business, it's essential to determine if it has profit potential. A passion must solve a problem or offer value to an audience willing to pay for it. The key is to identify if there is already a market demand. Research competitors, explore trends, and ask, are people spending money on this? Can something unique be offered in this space? If the passion is baking, for example, there are multiple ways to monetize it: selling specialty baked goods, offering online baking classes, or starting a food blog that generates ad revenue. Part 2. Define your niche and audience. A successful business is built on specificity. Instead of being broadly defined, narrowing down to a specific niche makes it easier to attract the right audience. A general fitness coach may struggle to stand out, but a coach specializing in weight loss for busy moms has a clear target market. Similarly, a photographer focusing on luxury weddings creates a brand that appeals to a high-end clientele. Defining a niche involves understanding who the ideal customer is, what they need, and how to provide value better than competitors. Part 3. Build your brand and offer. A strong brand establishes credibility and trust. This includes choosing a memorable business name, designing a simple logo, and developing a consistent social media presence. Branding should reflect the business's core values and attract the intended audience. Beyond aesthetics, a business must have a compelling offer. Will it be a product-based, service-based, or content-driven business? Packaging passion into a valuable offering, whether through coaching, digital products, or exclusive experiences, ensures customers see the worth in investing. Part 4. Start making money. Monetization strategies. Turning passion into profit requires a monetization plan. There are multiple ways to generate income, including selling physical or digital products, offering services, running memberships or subscriptions, leveraging affiliate marketing, and earning through ad revenue and sponsorships. For example, an artist can sell custom prints, teach art classes online, or collaborate with brands for sponsorships. Diversifying revenue streams increases financial stability and allows the business to scale faster. Part 5. Get your first paying customers. The first sale is a major milestone. Building momentum requires visibility and credibility. Offering a free sample or discounted service in exchange for testimonials can build trust. Posting valuable content, such as tutorials, behind-the-scenes insights, and customer success stories, engages potential buyers. Leveraging social proof, such as reviews and before and after transformations, creates credibility. Networking with friends, family, and online communities helps spread the word and attract the first paying customers. A compelling first-time customer offer can encourage people to take action quickly. Part 6. Scale to six figures. Once sales are steady, scaling becomes the focus. Automation and delegation free up time for higher-level strategy. Tools for email marketing, scheduling, and payment processing streamline operations. Expanding offerings, such as upsells, bundles, and VIP services, boosts revenue. Investing in marketing, including targeted ads and collaborations, helps reach a larger audience. Establishing passive income streams, like courses, ebooks, and affiliate programs, creates long-term financial security. Consistency and adaptability are key to growing a passion-driven business into a sustainable six-figure venture. Part 7. Build an engaged community. A strong business isn't just about selling, it's about building a loyal community. Customers who feel connected to a brand are more likely to become repeat buyers and advocates. Creating engagement through social media, email newsletters, and exclusive groups fosters a sense of belonging. Consistently providing valuable content, responding to comments, and involving the audience in the journey, such as behind-the-scenes updates or Conda sessions, builds trust. A dedicated community can turn into a powerful word-of-mouth marketing force that fuels growth. Part 8. Master marketing and content strategy. Marketing is the engine that drives visibility, credibility, and ultimately sales. Without a strong marketing strategy, even the most valuable business ideas can go unnoticed. The key to effective marketing is consistency, showing up regularly where potential customers are, and providing them with content that educates, entertains, or inspires action. One of the most powerful forms of marketing is content marketing, where businesses create valuable content that attracts and nurtures an audience. This can include blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, and podcasts. When done right, content marketing establishes trust, showcases expertise, and turns followers into paying customers. For example, a personal finance coach could write blog articles about budgeting strategies, create Instagram reels with quick money-saving tips, and host a podcast featuring success stories from clients who've transformed their financial lives. Part 9. Price your offer for maximum profit. Pricing is more than just assigning a number to a product or service. It's about psychology, positioning, and profitability. Many entrepreneurs fall into the trap of underpricing because they fear losing customers. However, undervaluing a product or service can lead to exhaustion and financial struggles. To create a six-figure business, pricing must be strategic and sustainable. A strong pricing strategy begins with understanding the market. Researching competitors, industry benchmarks, and customer expectations helps determine a pricing range. However, pricing should not solely be based on competition. If a business offers unique value, a premium experience, or specialized expertise, it can charge more than others in the same space. One effective strategy is tiered pricing, which offers multiple levels of products or services at different price points. For example, a business coach might offer. This strategy allows customers to choose the level of investment they're comfortable with, while also encouraging upsells over time. Another powerful pricing strategy is value-based pricing. Pricing based on the results a product or service provides rather than the cost of production. A web designer, for instance, may charge $5,000 for a website because the client will use it to generate hundreds of thousands in revenue. Instead of competing on price, the focus should be on showcasing the benefits, transformation, and outcomes customers will receive. Part 10. Optimize and improve. Based on data, growing a six-figure business requires constant optimization and adaptation. A successful entrepreneur doesn't just set things up and hope for the best. They analyze results, make improvements, and refine strategies based on real data. One of the most important aspects of business optimization is tracking key performance indicators, KPIs. These could include Part 11. Create a long-term vision and plan for expansion. Reaching six figures is an exciting milestone, but long-term success requires a vision for sustainable growth. Without a clear plan, businesses can stagnate or become dependent on one revenue stream that may not always be reliable. The first step in creating long-term success is developing systems and automation. A business should not require the owner to be hands-on with every task.